Hi friends, today I am going to teach you what PHP is and how it is used to create a web page. A web page can be in static or in dynamic. If we want to create a web page in dynamic, or if you want to access database and show the content to the user, you need to have a server-side scripting language. Here we take PHP. In order to run a PHP page, you need to have a web server. So normally the Apache web server is available as free software. You can download it, and if you want to have database, you may have MySQL software here. In this case, we have exam software. This has come along with Apache web server and containing MySQL, PHP and Perl. So I have downloaded exam for Windows. I already installed it in my machine. You can check it here. PHP folder. I have installed it in my PHP folder. These are the folder you can see after installing. Okay, htdocs is the root folder where the files are accessible to the public, where you store all PHP pages or HTML or all web pages. So I created a test PHP folder here. I'm going to write a program for you and save the file here. Okay, I've already created test php.php here. So PHP always starts with less than symbol and a question mark, and PHP tag and a question mark greater than symbol. In between we write code. So we start with a variable. PHP variables always starts with dollar symbol and following alphanumeric or underscore. It doesn't start with a number. Okay, just to remember. Variable 1. You can give any values here. I'm giving a string value to this value, testing, and semicolon. Always ends with semicolon. You should not forget to put semicolon after statements. So what I'm going to do with this variable is I'm going to print it out on a web page. So we can use echo or print. These are the language constructs to output on a page. So I'm using echo. Okay, echo space a variable 1 and semicolon. This will print the values testing on a page. So how to run this page? I go to a web page. Go to a browser and type localhost / test.php / and enter. You can see the file here. Just to click on it, this PHP file will be executed. So this will print testing value here. Then I am going to write a small function here. Function always starts with function and a function name. Test, closing back. Has some parameter here, 1 and value 2. I will declare variable 3 in order to store the value of variable 1 and variable 2. Here we have a addition, variable 1 plus variable 2. So this variable 3 will have the value of one variable 1 and variable 2. How to call this function? Just type test and bracket and pass the argument. Here I am going to pass 1 comma 2 and semicolon. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So variable 3 has the value 3. Here it just stores the value of this addition. So I'm going to print out the value here, echo and variable 3. Let's run the program. Before that, I'm going to delete this. And save and go back and test 3. See, you can put string here. The value is space dot and dot. The value is 3. If you want to return the variable, you just put return and the variable here, and you put echo here. Then only you can see the variable displays on the page 3. So the value is space dot. That's all. Then thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you have comments on this video, please send me the comments, and I'll be teaching you object oriented programming in next classes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.